You know, the whole package is just a lot of fun. These are my riding buddies, and Matt and his wife put on such a good hosting experience, staying at the lodge, food, and just good people. So yeah, pleasure to be back.
And it used to be a general store back in the day. My grandpa was born there.
Yeah, no kidding. My grandparents lived in Bailey when I was growing up, so we were up there all the time. Yeah.
Mountain Skillz is 100% family operation. Justin's family. He's part of our family, whether he likes it or not. No, it's been awesome having him with us. But Jesse does a ton, taking care of the lodge, cooking breakfast and dinner for our clients, and the girls help her out with that, making beds, cleaning up. Jesse's sister helps with cleaning the lodge, getting it ready for the groups, and that's something that we didn't understand what a cool addition that was going to be to our operation. We really enjoy that time off the snow with our clients, get a chance to meet them and talk about stuff other than snowmobiling, and never could have imagined how awesome that would be. But Jesse and the girls also, they take care of the store. They've got a couple other friends that help them out with that. But man, super thankful for her, and she's been supportive ever since the beginning when I told her the idea for this Mountain Skillz thing. She's like, yeah, you should totally do it. Let's give it 100%. And like, it's crazy. We're 11 years later and it still feels like this is the beginning. The fact that snowmobiling, we've been able to turn that into a job, super cool.
All right, see you, Don. Morning, guys.
How's
How's it going?
Good.
Much
better after a little rest.
Yeah? You got some good sleep last night? Yeah. Good.
Comes time to open this up.
Okay, awesome to have most of you back. First time with us, right? Okay, so that's what I thought. So
I'm your liability today. This is my second season.
Number one biggest priority at all times is you guys' safety. So you have to let us know if there's anything that you need or have questions with or whatever, so Justin and I can try to take care of whatever we need to appropriately. Along with that, we'll just look at our avalanche forecast from this morning. Our danger rating near and above tree line is moderate. Below tree line, the rating is low. So on a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 is the most dangerous, low is a 1 and moderate is a 2 on that scale. Also, you guys know the drill. We're gonna go places and we're probably gonna get stuck. Not a bad thing, so don't get frustrated with that. A lot of times those are some of the best learning moments for us. So we prefer to help you get out. We want to show you the quickest and easiest way to get unstuck as well, as long as you're not like parking facing uphill and then taking off and getting stuck. I have a really hard time with that one. I might help you once with that, but after that you're on your own. Is there anything specifically that anybody is hoping to do or wanting to work on?
You're gonna laugh at this, but assuming my wrist holds up, I'd love to have you show us how to do a re-entry.
On some of that would be cool.
Some just direction changes down through the
Yeah, down and back up maybe, and then like from a side load down.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Cool.
That was really helpful.
Yeah.
So the stupid stuff and the fundamental stuff.
Nothing stupid. Some of it's fun and flashy, but then in certain places, those are super effective tools to keep a line going or to get you, out of trouble. So.
Which trailhead are we going to?
Beaver Creek.
I think we still got one. Yeah, that was the worst.
The other side. We started Mountain Skillz, I think the official start date was July of 2012. I've always loved snowmobiling and have always been competitive where I wanted to be the best that I could and try to be better than everybody else. And kind of turned into every time I rode, I was helping people as much or more than I was actually getting to ride. And I thought, man, it'd be kind of cool to try to do this. I wanted something kind of unique to us, but I didn't really know what that was. Tried figuring that out for a while, and then actually February of 2012 I was involved in an avalanche that like a bunch of light bulbs went off in my head after that. knowing that I needed a lot more training myself, but also wanting to share that awareness with people. So the light bulb moment of that is, well, it was, you really need to focus on safety. That needs to be a big priority and needs to be a focal point of whatever this program is. And after the first year, I didn't realize how much I was actually going to enjoy working with people and teaching them, and how rewarding that was going to be. It just has really gone from there. Just extremely rewarding, seeing the benefits from people, helping people get more and enjoy this snowmobiling experience more is what it's all about, and just really continues to drive me. Never had any idea that I would become an avalanche educator, but of course the main focus is the instructional riding, but the avalanche courses, we do a lot of those throughout the season as well, and just keeping people safe and helping them have fun and get home to their family. That's what it's all about. Okay, last thing before we go, anybody wearing electronic packs? Did you turn them on? Have green light, good battery, everything good?
Yep.
Otherwise, go ahead and get the handle out before we leave.
Oh yeah, that's minorly important, huh?
Yeah. So make sure handles are out, just like everybody else's are. We've got all the stuff we need there. Awesome, cool. We'll just follow me across here once we get to where the groom, you guys know where that spot is, then we'll put scratchers down.
Yep.
So we don't fill our skids full of dirt.
Yeah, like that one.
Yeah. Keep your eyes up so you know what's coming, so we don't get surprised and fall in the drink. And yeah, we'll go do it.